First, connect the tablet and XP400 Pro with a USB cable. Then use the OBD cable to connect the tablet and G-box3. Connect the jumper to the side of G-box3. Before connecting the EIS, check the wiring diagram in the tablet in advance. The other end of the jumper needs to be connected to Mercedes-Benz eyes. After connecting EIS according to the wiring diagram, power on the G-box3. Click OK to enter the next step and start reading EIS data. The data reading is completed. Then follow the prompts and put the key to be generated into XP400 Pro. Click OK to go to the next step. Here we have the password. Click Yes to enter the password. The key is generated successfully.